stop scrolling, guys. If you have been creating content and your video are not going viral as it's supposed to be, this is what you are doing wrong. You are definitely using a wrong editing app for your videos. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful editing apps you can use for creating content, and it's going to give you what you are looking for, both the quality and cleanliness of your video. You are definitely going to get it in this app that I'm going to mention today. So without wasting much of our time, the last one is going to give you both the quality, the cleanliness, and everything you need. They have it in that editing app. So if you want to see it, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So the number 1 on my list is CapCut, guys. You guys know that this CapCut is the best of both in editing and everything. They have all the things that you need, but the last one is a new video editing app that is definitely going to give you that clean quality and high caption and everything in your video. So the number 1 is CapCut. It's best for beginners. If you are a new content creator and you are thinking of what editing app can I use, I will recommend CapCut for you. It's both for beginners and for viral content. I will tell you to use CapCut for your video editing. And the features there is they have both auto captions. They have this thing. They have your filter. They also have effects on that CapCut that you can use for that to make your video more attracting, more grabbing hooks when you are doing your editing. It will give you that best editing, some features that you need on your video to edit it to make it perfectly well and attracting for your audience to watch it. So the number 2 on my list is InShot. You guys, some people are sleeping on this InShot editing app. I'm one of the people that are using this InShot editing app, and it's giving me what I want. Both the tablets, you can get tablets on this InShot editing app. You can get tablet, you can get filter, you can also get effects on this InShot. And you can also, if you want to resize your video after the whole process, when you are editing it, you want to resize it to your normal, or maybe you want to post it on Facebook, these InShots have aspect ratio for resizing. They have different both for Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and many more. So you will get that aspect ratio the resize for InShot app. So the last one on my list that will give you both the quality and cleanliness of your video is VN editing apps, guys. Some people don't know about this app, but it's going to give you both the quality and everything that the highness of your video is going to be top notch in everything, guys. And the features they have there, they have both keyframe, and they also have they have no watermark on it. You know that after editing your video with InShot, you will see their logo on it. So you're definitely going to click cancel, and before you can even cancel it, you need to watch ADS before you can be able to cancel that InShot watermark. But this one does not have a watermark at all. You edit your video and you are good to go. But they will give you the quality, in the cleanliness of your video is going to be top notch and amazing. So that is they have a lot of video editing apps for you, but I recommend this 3 for you if you want a beginner content creator that are looking for apps you can use for your editing. I recommend these 3 powerful ones for you to use for your editing, both in keywords, both in the effect. If you want to use the effect on your video, both this thing, if you want to check the size of your video to the social media you want to post it, you are definitely going to find all of this in this editing app that I have mentioned for you today. So tell me in the comment section the one you are definitely going to install to your phone and start using it, and also tell me what you think about the editing app that you have already downloaded to your phone that you are using right now. And if you also have the one that is best that you are using, you can recommend it also for us in the comment section. Let's use it also and create our content. Thank you very much once again, guys. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and share this video. The good thing you will do for me is to share it. If you want to support me, share this video to your friends, to all the platforms that you know. Thank you very much once again. Bye.